Hello guys, so today we're going. Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to playing Wall Half Tower. So anyways guys, if one is my video, so make sure to like it guys. So anyways guys, my brother just even joined me. So let's go beat that game. So this practice mode that you just did. So let's go. Let's go practice, but I can't even do it. Yes. No. Oh yes, I can do it. I can now do it guys. I can now do it. So I have. So I need the okay. So I know what guys. Please subscribe to my channel and also my third channel. I think my third channel is cool. So anyway, I just wanted to just keep uploading more videos like this. So anyways, okay. Let me just beat that game. Okay, let's go. Don't ever, don't ever fall. I think my YouTube guys. With my other channel, I think guys. Other channel that I wanted to beat it. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. This one is the ladder. So let's go beat this game guys. Okay, I'm at the violet. I'm at the violet stage. Violet tower. I'm at the violet. That I think is. Where is oh good I think. Okay. I think oh see I think okay. Wait for me. Wait for me. Okay. Why is it so hard to wall hop? Oh, because I wanted to become strong again. But I don't know. So please subscribe, okay? Up, up, up. How can I do that? Oh, oh wait. Wait, how can I do that? What? What oh wait. Oh wait, I should just take it by myself. Okay, let's shake. Oh, shake my butt. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I think I made it. How can I do it? Oh my god, yes. No, no. Okay. Oh, oh my god, guys, I made it. I made it, guys. I made it to the white blue, or just a cyan one. I'm not the cyan. Yes, I should just shake my head instead. My butt. Oh, oh, oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oi, oh my god. Wait. Okay, come on. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Wait for me. Wait for me. I can do it. I can do it. Oh wait, I should just do it. Don't. Oh my god. Yes, I'm a talent now. Oh, this one's easy. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay, come on. Why? Why are you doing? What are you doing? Look at you. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Okay, come on. Come on. We're almost there. Oh my god. Yes. Let's go. Let's go beat that game. Oh. Ooh. Go to the ladder. Go to the ladder. Right there. Right there. You will never know this. Oh my god. I'm at the green. I'm at the green at you. Up. Don't ever fall. Don't ever fall. Come on. You have to. Can I like go to the job? Oh, oh no. This one's harder. This one's tricky. How can I do that? How can I do that? How can I do that? Oh, I can't do it because I keep lagging. Yes. Oh, I know. Wait for me. Wait. Okay. I will wait for you. Okay, let's see. What's wrong? What's wrong with your head? What's that? Oh, okay. You can leave it. Bye. Oh, it's okay. No, I know I'm fine. I think he left. I think he left, guys. He just actually